Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. Whew, we got a lot going on these last few days. Coming at you live downtown Kansas City. We are past mid-March. The entire country, the entire world is dealing with corona outbreak right now, and you know, we're just a little shop, little guys, and until they tell us to, we're going to keep working. So we're putting up trucks, we're getting them ready. Whether you're buying them now or once the smoke settles, we'll have them ready for you. But I hope, on a serious note, everyone out there is staying safe, taking care of themselves, stocking up what they need to. Watch out for your family, be safe, guys. You know, we hope everyone's surviving out there. But elephant in the room right in front of me here, we've got a beautiful 06 Ford F350. It's a crew cab 1-ton short bed. It is a XLT sport package, which comes factory with painted front and rear bumpers, painted door handles, black interior, carbon fiber trim, just a couple little goodies. But we're going to be cold starting it today, and as you know, my shop's all the way down there, so I've driven it a quarter mile, half mile tops. So of course that is the extent of my cold start, so there is no misleading or misrepresentation. Miles are low. This one is pretty, 102,333. Some of the lower miles you'll see coming out of our camp. And as you can see, the truck motor is not warm, tranny temp is. Truck fires right up, comes with a full tank of fuel. And like I said, it's that beautiful black leather carbon fiber trim. It's got the carbon fiber door panels, the console lid, black carpet, gray interior, 6-disc in-dash CD changer, 4-wheel drive, parking sensors, trailer brakes, good heat and AC. And ooh yeah, it is a sunroof truck as well. So hard loaded black leather sunroof, 1-ton short bed. This is a super cool truck. True blue paint. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Seating, seat belts, there's 5 of them in the truck. It runs great. It's fully serviced. It runs like a 100,000 mile truck should. It's just getting broken. I mean, it's got 100,000 miles on it. It's 14 years old, coming up on 15, but very young, unabused truck. Doesn't show any signs of being worked crazy or modded or anything. So all in all, what you like to see here is a very nice stock Egr deleted truck with a couple of good mods on it. So let's hop out, pop the hood, check out the body. We'll get a better look over the interior. We're going to do it all today. All right. XDP coolant filtration system. Zero blow by. We don't. Oh, we're back. Sorry, having technical difficulties here. The camera keeps disconnecting. We don't clean under the hood. You guys know that. Stock head bolts on this truck. It's never been studded. It does have an Egr delete. Locker plate has a single H&S tune that's stock factory, just disabled the Egr. Nice coolant level, good clean coolant. Zero pressure in that hose, nice and soft. Everything looks good under the hood. Truck checks out on the snap-on scanner. Everything looks great. So like I said, sport package. The difference is that part of the bumper is usually chrome. It's painted on this one. The grille's usually chrome and it's painted. We upgraded to the Harley Davidson headlights and a black Ford logo emblem on the grille. Headlights have been done up with LED bulbs, so they have a nice blue hint to them. Look really cool, actually. Get you a better view here, you can see it. Other than that, we did put brand new front and rear bumpers on them and had them painted. The original ones, these factory painted bumpers, the salt and residue sits on them and the paint was not, I don't know, it just didn't hold up well on Ford painted bumpers and they rust and bubble off. So we had brand new front and rear bumpers prepped and sprayed professionally by our painter. We also resprayed the factory painted mirror caps. We usually upgrade to the 08 mirrors, but instead we built these mirrors. We did white DRL switchbacks. So I'll actually show you here. These mirrors are cool and these new lights are actually really cool. So we do a DRL switchback. So when you use your turn signal, you've got a legal amber indicator. But when you're just cruising down the street with your accessory lights or your headlights or your parking lights on. Oh, I left the blinker on. I guess that ain't gonna do too much good. You're gonna have a white light. So LED switchbacks, thing of the future. They're real hot right now. I love them. They look cool, super clean. These are bright. You know, you get that new Audi LED pearl look and you're putting it in a 15-year-old truck. So tinted the windows on it. Now as far as damage goes, this fender, you can see it right here. Little dinger in it. I'll try to focus it for you. Little dent right there. Someone probably had something laying across the fender and closed the hood on it. Very typical on these trucks. And then we got a scratch right below it. Not terrible, just one little scratch. Other than that, this truck's pretty clean. I'm trying to just show you everything. 3-inch leveling kit. And when you guys ask about our kits, we just do a puck spacer. So we drop the suspension and that's a 3-inch spacer right there. It's about as far as you want to go on a factory truck. The wheels, you've seen these a couple of times. It is a 20x12 Cali Rock-On graphite gray gloss. As far as the color goes, it's gunmetal gray with a gloss finish. 35 1250 20 amp terrain attacks. That's their AT. 40,000 mile warranty on these tires. They're brand new. The wheels are brand new as well. It does have the keypad to get in the door. And other than that, I'm not seeing any damage to report on this passenger side. It's got the upgraded running boards from the factory, the nice ones. We put the fender flares on it. I don't think this truck has any rust underneath them. We do it on every truck now. It just sets them off. There might be some bubbles, but there was no holes. There was no, actual rotting on this bed. But we'll check the rust condition right now, which is beautiful. Absolutely none on the rockers and cab corners. On this little weld, this seam right here, you do have a little bit of bubbling going further down there. We touched it up. It's not rusted and it's just that seam. The rockers and cab corners are original and they're beautiful. They look like you could eat off them. Day one new. We're gonna pop under the bed here. Adjust my camera. Frame rail's really good shape. They do have some rust. They're not flawless, but they are way better than most of them. Very nice still for a truck of this age. It's got 100,000 miles on it, but it's still been on the road just as long as any other truck. So as far as rust goes on this truck, I'm gonna call it in condition quality an 8 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it is nice and it's not everywhere. Very minimal. As usual, LED smoke third brakes, smoke tail lights. The rear bumper, like I said, brand new PTM rear bumper, fresh coat of paint on it. Hopping in the bed here, nothing fancy going on. One thing I do like, it's a painter's truck. So it more than likely had a camper shell on it. It never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck hitch. So this truck has never been pulling heavy trailers. I mean, it could have pulled some heavy bumper pulls, because it does come with a factory tow package and it looks like it's been used, so it's probably pulled some bumper pull trailers, but nothing crazy. That's always something good I like to see. Exhaust is stock, just has a tip on it, a chrome tip. We put some new rear shocks in there on the rear. Let's get down and look at this cab corner and rocker. Same condition on the passenger side. Stock exhaust. A very nice truck, guys. We try to pick them nice. Heck, to find a sport with black leather and 100,000 miles is almost unheard of anymore for these 99 to 07 body styles. They're out there. There's not a lot of them. This one's beautiful. True blue on black leather with a sunroof. 1-ton short bed. I can't get enough of it. I know this truck will not be around forever. Power seats, no rips or tears. It's dirty. The black shows a lot of dirt. I could have cleaned it up a little better. We are a little short-handed at the shop because of the pandemic, so we're just trying to keep it together and keep trucks moving out and ready for you guys. So let me know what you think, guys. As always, I appreciate your time. We're down here in Kansas City, 816 Diesel. Head over to my website, 816diesel.com. On the website, you're going to find VIN, pictures, pricing, all the modifications I went over today, the Egr Delete, the coolant filtration, all those are listed on the website, along with all the crucial details about the truck. If you have any questions, my contact information is on there. My name's Cameron. Give me a text, give me a phone call. Not a big deal. Anytime, hit me up. Let me know what I can do to help, guys. But as always, I appreciate your time. And again, stay safe out there. And yeah, we'll be seeing you soon with another one.